really interested in helping young people, like I always have been interested in trying to pass on some of my skills to them. I started being a volunteer tutor with these guys, and that's where my passion comes from then, from wanting to help young people to sort of show them that they have got skills in life and trying to channel it out of them in the right way.
So he comes across as being quite fun and motivating, and at the same time he actually inspires confidence with the young people, so they learn to trust him, and then they take their development to the next level.
It's all about just upskilling people, I think, and letting people know that they have got a skill. If you work with these guys and you give them enough confidence, they will do something productive with their lives. One of our successes was a group of ladies got together who didn't know each other, and they actually don't want to go down the construction route, but through them coming together as a group of 6 ladies, they've started their own volunteer service up. So it's just about inspiring them and giving them confidence to do anything they want to do in life.
He's really inspired some of those young people to take their training to the next level. So some of the young people have actually got into employment as a result of working with Kevin on the mobile construction classroom, and they're actually helping their local community to build benches and to maintain some of the areas within their communities.
The job I'm in, I'm very lucky because I like my job so much. It's a way of life for me. It's not, I don't wake up in the morning and dread going to work. I can't wait to wake up in the morning because I know I'm going to see so-and-so and we're going to work on this, you know. It's a very exciting job. I
would just like to say a really big thank you to Kevin for all your hard work, and it's from me and all the young people you've been working with. Well done, Kevin.
I'm very proud of the work the organisations do for young people throughout South Wales. I'm very proud of the Construction Youth Trust. I'm very proud of my family actually for sticking with me, because it can be quite a pain sometimes, keep banging on about work. But yeah, I'm landed, and this is for my family, for all the support they've given me.